Hello everyone, guess what? It's almost the time that we're gonna eat meat again. Almost. That sounded weird, didn't it? Almost the time that we're gonna eat meat again. Amy's excited.
It's almost time for us to start eating meat again.
I don't English well. I science, but I don't English. Anyway, so, how are you? Yeah. Kids figure out how to scoot chairs around and climb things. So, you know, we've had a lot of fake meats the last, it's actually already been 40 days, but we're completionists and we're not gonna eat meat until Easter Sunday. So tonight, this whole week, it's the week of Easter. Rewind, flip it and reverse it. We are going to try to empty our fridge of all the meat substitutes. So last night we did an Italian sausage in a spaghetti and it was okay. My thing is, with the Italian sausages and things like that, I can't eat a lot of them or else they make me feel bloaty and gross. So tonight, we're going with another jackfruit barbecue. If you guys remember the first jackfruit barbecue, it wasn't very good. The barbecue sauce was awful. I've already tried this barbecue sauce and it's not very good either.
We've got the bunion slaw this time though.
It's not as bad as last time. But we do have, as Amy mentioned, our secret weapon this time.
Spoiler.
Spoiler.
Sorry about that. But not really.
Bunions.
Yeah, Dad.
Bunions.
Huh?
Southern Foods. Bunion slaw. Spicy mustard slaw. It's out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that slaw.
It's from the local barbecue place.
Yeah, it's local to us. It's like literally like 6 miles as the crow flies from here. Good barbecue.
I live like a block from it.
Yeah, Amy used to live like a block from it. So, and we are probably going to go there for an episode soon. So, we're going to try this Upton's Natural Jackfruit Barbecue. I did the carnitas. The carnitas were actually pretty good, the chili lime carnitas. So here's how they cooked up. That's just pan fried for about 5 to 7 minutes. Pan fried with a little bit of olive oil to make sure it really doesn't stick.
Okay.
So I'm gonna dress mine with,
I hear you. Don't touch that, okay?
I'm gonna go with bun, pickle, slaw, jackfruit, and then maybe just a little bit more barbecue sauce. That's what I did last time and I thought it was okay. You're okay? Are you sure? Okay. Alright. So let's dress this bad boy up and see what we got. Oh yeah.
You're not okay.
I got one of these at the store and it'd be better if it didn't have vanilla because then it would be mezzo mix and all would be just in the world. So there it is. There's the built product. You can see bun, you can see some sauce, the jackfruit barbecue, bunion slaw, pickle, and bun on the bottom. Okay, let's do this. First impression. I've already tried the jackfruit. It's a little bit better than the last time. Not much better. Amy has an opinion.
It's a whole lot better with the bunion sauce.
It is a whole lot better with bunions. Also, slaw. I'm sorry. I'm also slow. Sorry. I've already got food all over me. I also have an opinion. Jackfruit barbecue sucks. It really does. It's not a substitute for the real thing at all. I guess if you were absolutely adamant about not eating pork or a barbecue or any type of smoked meat that you want barbecue sauce on, maybe that's for you. It's not for me.
No.
Is it for you?
No.
No?
No.
No, it's not for me either. But I bought it, so I'm gonna eat it. I got food all over my face. I gave you the sad food review with this sad little particle of food just hanging on my face. And I'm out of focus. Now I'm in focus.
I need mommy.
See you on our next, hopefully, meat-filled adventure.